Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI, and my cute little friend that I have here today is Forky, and he's from Toy Story. And the Toy Story Disney series has all these really great toys that go together. A lot of the newer ones collide with the sounds if they're near each other. They actually almost speak to one another. It's kind of cool. I have a few of them, but this one here is Forky. He's so cute. If you look at the detail on this, it looks like he came right out of the cartoon. From his little pipe cleaner hands and the fork and the googly eyes to his cute little feet that are supposed to be popsicle sticks. You can see on it as well that it has the detail of the rainbow and that it says Bonnie on the bottom. You do have your switch that goes off, on, and test mode. It does take 3 batteries, the 1.5V that normally go inside watches and different small things. That's what he takes. And he also makes sounds. The button is right here. I don't know if you can hear him. How cute is that? Same sound, everything from the movie. And if you push him back and forth, his whole body waddles just like he would on the show. This is such a cute little addition to my daughter's Toy Story toys, or even just to have as a toy. If you don't have any of the other ones, he's super, super cute. But that's just my point of view.